In an old part of the city, there was a small flat where Ahmed lived. Ahmed worked in IT. Long hours spent in front of his laptop, buried in meetings, coding, and endless deadlines. His life followed a simple routine: office work, returning home, and then spending time with his most beloved companion, his German shepherd, Bruno. For Ahmed, pets were not just animals. They brought peace, joy, and balance to life. Bruno was not merely a dog, but a friend, a protector, and very much part of his family. Ahmed had adopted him when he was only 3 months old, and since then they had grown together. Ahmed's mornings were incomplete without Bruno. As soon as the alarm rang, Bruno would wag his tail enthusiastically and run towards him, nudging him to get up. Sometimes he rubbed his face against Ahmed's hand. Other times he gave a playful bark. Ahmed would smile and say, "All right, mate, I get it. It's walk time." Every morning at 6 a.m., Ahmed took Bruno for a walk. Sometimes they strolled through the streets, sometimes they went to the park, and occasionally they jogged together. This routine was their favorite time of day. Bruno loved his walks because he could sniff around, meet other dogs, and burn off energy. Ahmed always explained to others, exercise is absolutely essential for pets. If you keep them locked inside without walks, they gain weight and their health suffers. At least 30 to 40 minutes of daily walking is ideal. Once Ahmed saw a friend's dog that had become overweight due to a lack of walks. That experience pushed him to be even stricter with Bruno's routine. After their walk, they returned home. Ahmed prepared his tea and toast, while Bruno had his special dog food, sometimes kibble, sometimes boiled chicken with vegetables. Ahmed was very aware that oily and spicy food was dangerous for dogs. One day, Ahmed's cousin tried to feed Bruno a biscuit. Ahmed immediately stopped him. "Please don't. Human biscuits aren't safe for dogs. They can contain sugar or even chocolate, which is poisonous for them." Ahmed occasionally added safe fruits to Bruno's diet: apple slices, seedless watermelon, and carrots. He explained, "Variety is good, but only with safe foods. Just because something is healthy for humans doesn't mean it's safe for pets." Ahmed also maintained a strict feeding schedule, 2 meals a day at fixed times. He never allowed free feeding because that often leads to obesity. German Shepherds have thick coats and shed a lot. At first, Ahmed struggled, but over time he became skilled in grooming. Every other day, he brushed Bruno's coat, keeping it shiny and healthy, and reducing the amount of fur shed in the house. Sometimes Bruno picked up ticks. Ahmed, with his vet's advice, used tick collars and prevented drops. He also reminded viewers in his pet care videos, ticks and fleas can seriously harm pets' health. Regular grooming and prevention are absolutely necessary. Bruno disliked baths at first, but Ahmed used positive reinforcement until he became comfortable. He always used dog-friendly shampoos that were gentle on the skin. Ear cleaning and nail trimming were also part of their routine.